Hello all, welcome to my channel. I'm Neelima. Today I'm going to share the recipe of a very healthy and tasty summer drink, which is Basil Seeds Milk. Basil seeds improve our digestive health, aid in weight loss, regulate blood sugar, cool the body, relieve the stress, and there are many more benefits of consuming basil seeds. Let's get to the procedure now. To start with, take a tablespoon of basil seeds and soak them in enough water for 10 minutes to bloat. Meanwhile, take a vessel, put on the stove, take a cup of boiled milk, pour it into the vessel. Add a cup of water using the same cup. For sweetening, add 6 dates cut into small pieces like this. Now, let the milk boil for 3 to 4 minutes. In turn, making the dates soft and adding sweetness to milk. Here, dates act as natural sweetener. Now let's take the soaked basil seeds. See, the basil seeds are ready to be used. Add these basil seeds to the boiling milk. Simmer the flame. Let the milk boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Occasionally, stir the boiling milk. After 3 to 4 minutes, put off the stove. See, the milk has come to a boil. This is after 3 to 4 minutes. Dates are nicely softened. Now, transfer it into another vessel. If one wishes to have hot milk, it can be had as is. But let's enjoy cool summer drink, for which let's allow the milk to come down to room temperature. Then keep it in fridge for cooling. The milk has come down to room temperature now. I'm just closing with a lid. Kept it in the fridge for some time. I've just taken it out. And this is cool milk. This has mild sweetness as we have added only 6 dates, not a lot of dates. There is no artificial sugar. I'm just serving this with some ice cubes. Our healthy and tasty summer drink, Basil Seeds Milk, is ready. We can actually skip a meal and have a glass full of this milk during summer, as this is very filling. A must-do recipe during summers. So, give it a try. Let me know your feedback through the comment section. If you like this recipe, please give a big thumbs up. Share it among your friends and relatives. And please do subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon, as you can be updated with my latest uploads. Thanks for watching.